Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to turn off League in Duolingo and focus on solo learning. So let's get started. If you want to turn off your League in Duolingo, so to do that what you can do is follow some easy steps. So first open up your browser, select any browser you like. I'm here with my Chrome browser. So after opening up your browser, now in search bar you can search for duolingo.com, or if you have installed Duolingo in your device you can just simply use it through there. And after searching for Duolingo.com, it will take you to this website. From here, what you have to do is just simply tap on the more option, which you can find in the left side of your screen. Just simply tap on it and then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, now in the right side of your screen, you will find a bunch of options. What you can do is just simply tap on privacy settings, and inside your privacy settings, you will find this first option, which is make my profile public. What you can do is just simply turn it off, and after turning it off, make sure that you have saved your changes. So just tap on save changes and then save your changes, and after doing this you will successfully turn off League in Duolingo. So that's it guys, this is how to turn off League in Duolingo and focus on solo learning. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.